you say you're sorry.
Today, we are going to present you our project called Eco Dryer Box. The materials that we use are polystyrene box, aluminum foil, foil container, USB lamp, USB fan, plastic wrap, and the last cable tie. These are all the materials that we use while working on this project. This project indicates the sun as a means such as heat, but by using aluminum foil, pieces of black paper, black plastic bag, polystyrene foam board to interact with heat. Nevertheless, during cold winter, user can use wind and heat energy productively. This box being used.
Issues problem. This invention can help with open-minded and gain ideas within the school or community. It helps to save energy and cost. It also energizes the community to use renewable energy as a whole for the future.
Objectives. There are four objectives for our invention. A. Reduce the usage of electricity. B. Save costs. C. Fabrics will not be infected by any means such as bacteria. D. To develop ideas while while inventing something useful for the consumers.
Consumers think. First, eco-friendly product with right any fabric. Second, unsmelt vinyl and to fabric. Third, can be released as a business product.
That's all from us. Thank you very much.